So I got everything off. You have to take off the carburetors, the intake, and the headers. This car's a little tricky because even if you take the headers off, if you don't take the starters, the headers don't come out, which makes things a little trickier to begin with. But yeah, unfortunately I had to take the headers off anyways because one of the freeze plugs is missing. So the owner said this car was running. I know that all this been rebuilt, it looks really clean, but the fact that this freeze plug right here was missing, I highly doubt this car was running. And if it was years ago. I think she said that her brother died or what. I don't know the year that it died, or that her brother died. May he rest in peace. But I'm sure this car has about more than 10 years that it did not run. The starter looks in decent condition. I don't know, but when I would crank it in the last video, you guys seen how it wouldn't have enough juice to actually crank the motor fast enough for it to start. So I'm gonna go drop this off at the shop, see if they can repair it, how much. And I gotta order these two. I'm gonna order a kit, a freeze plug kit, get that in and put everything back together and see where the next issue is. I just want to at least get it started. I know that the next issue I gotta tackle is the fuel lines and the fuel tank. If you guys have any, I'm in New York, but if you guys have any shops that clean out a fuel tank, or you have any do-it-yourself methods that work, let me know. Subscribe, guys.